Hello friends, I purchased this webcam from Logitech. This is C270 HD webcam. So this has 720p of resolution, not a full HD one, but HD at 30 fps. And it claims that it has auto light correction, auto noise reduction, and the MRP is not here. I cannot see MRP anywhere. It's on one sticker that they have pasted, so not very trustworthy thing, but then okay. So this is 2595, so around 2600. I have got it for 2049, so don't go on MRP and the discount that story very soon. So see, I have cut it open. So now the Logitech webcam packaging are generally very good. So this is inside this, like this. I'm going to take this out. So you have to take this and take it out. It will be inside like this. I'm taking all this out. So apart from this, you have some I guess user manual or something, mostly written in Chinese, or thankfully English is also there. So that's it about this. So this looks nice. So what I'm going to do now, I will install this on my home desktop and see that how this functions. So let's go to the room where I have kept my desktop. So we shall install this webcam on this desktop computer. So just let me do that. So see, this is the mechanism through which we can actually fix it on the computer screen. Let me totally remove these holding wires. This is done, and then you simply need to take this like this, and now this is done. So as simple as that. You can put it anywhere you want. So first quick thing, I am just putting it here. So once you put it here, you will see that the software is being installed here. So once the device software is installed, you need to do one thing. You need this Logitech camera settings that you can download from the Logitech website. So how I go about this is Logitech, I wrote webcam to C270 software, and then let's see. So let's go on this itself. So you will see that this page is dedicated to this particular webcam, HD webcam C270. You can download the setup guide, you can download the getting started guide, and then we are here for software. So you should go to, you can see specifications and everything. You should register your product, that I will also do very soon. So then go to downloads. So see, you will get this software camera settings. So you should download this. So this will be Logi camera setting underscore 2.12.8. This is an exe file because this is a Windows one. For Mac you need to download a separate file. I saw that some people are confused that their camera has the particular name Logi. So don't be confused. This Logi is also Logitech. I don't know the reason why actually. For some they write Logi, for some they write Logitech. So that's some weird logic of the logic. So but then this is the way it is, so don't worry, it's a genuine one. That you can also see by registering it. So I have already downloaded and installed this time download failed. So now it will come on. So once it is done, you just install this. So once installed, you can actually open this, and then you will see that all different settings. See, this is now available for me. So what you can do, what are the things that you should actually worry about? See, first thing, right now you see that there is no flicker on my camera screen. When you get NTSC 60 Hz, occasionally you will see that there is flicker. You see that flicker is now there is flicker on this. I don't know whether this is clearly visible to you or not. So for that, you simply need to change the setting to PAL 50 Hz, and the flicker will be gone. This is, I think, with all the cameras. It's with my Hero GoPro 9 also, my Logitech HD C270, that is a full HD one, also the same thing. Then there is possibility of having a standard image or a wide screen image. For wide screen, it will take a wider view of angle. So standard like this. You can decide that how much zoom you want. You can actually change this also. I hope this works in my 675. So okay, fine, this doesn't work here. And then you have a lot of settings here: brightness, contrast, and then color intensity, auto white balance. You can change these. You can switch off the auto if you want. You can change the color balance. I have taken the color temperature to very high. This is very night like. This is more day kind of temperature, yellowish. So you can put it on auto mode. So see, you can change the color intensity like this. So I have started a Google Meet here, so you can see this, that this also has microphone, and if I switch it off, it's now using the microphone that is inbuilt here. You can see a microphone here, a small one, and this is the normal video settings. So go to settings, audio, video, resolution, maximum, done. So you see that it will start looking fine, and you can change color, temperature and everything from that Logitech camera setting. So I got this for 2049 rupees. This is a good buy. Just one thing, check the price on Logitech website also, because many times I have felt that, and I have actually observed, not just felt it, that the sellers on Amazon, Flipkart, they are actually selling at a price that is even higher than the official price of the Logitech or other companies. That happened when I was purchasing my wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Then I actually ditched Amazon and I bought from Golcha Computers, that gave me exactly on the MRP that was at the Logitech website. So just be careful. In the online mode now, sellers and our online platforms, they are trying to rip us off. Just try to ensure that you don't get ripped by them.